People kept telling us that Siquijor and Dumaguete are pure magic. Is it true what they say about Siquijor and Dumaguete? After spending 4 days and 3 nights here, yes, 100%. But the real question is, magkano nga ba ang gagastusin for 2 people? Is it budget friendly? Worth it ba ang expenses? In this video, i-breakdown natin every single expense, from flights, ferries, self-drive car rentals, hotel stays, food trips, up to the entrance fees and tips. Zero hidden costs, total transparency. So grab your coffee, take down notes, and welcome to our ultimate Siquijor and Dumaguete budget breakdown.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Umpisahan natin sa flights. Para sa buong biyahe na to, nakakuha kami ng round-trip tickets for 2 worth 4,542.32 pesos. Kapag hinatin nyo yan sa dalawa, lumalabas na around 2,270 pesos per person lang. Kaya pro tip guys, mag-abang talaga kayo ng seat sales months before your trip para mas malaki ang masave nyo sa airfare. Pagkababa naman sa Dumaguete Airport, paano naman makapunta ng Siquijor? Here's our exact transportation costs. Una, sumakay kami ng tricycle mula airport papunta diretso sa Dumaguete Port for 250 pesos. Pagdating sa port, bumili kami ng ferry ticket papuntang Siquijor. We paid 700 pesos for 2 ferry tickets, plus 30 pesos para sa terminal fee, at 70 pesos for check-in baggage sa ferry. Overall, ang naging transportation cost natin mula Dumaguete Airport straight to Siquijor Island for 2 people was 1,050 pesos. Super smooth ng transfer. In less than an hour, welcome to Siquijor. Next, pag-usapan naman natin kung saan kami nagstay. Para sa buong stay natin sa Siquijor, nag-check-in kami sa Chequesh Casa. Our total accommodation cost for 3 nights was 5,973.79 pesos. Kapag i-breakdown nyo yan per day, lumalabas na 1,991.26 per night lang. Super homey ng lugar, malinis at napaka-accessible pa sa mga sikat na tourist spots. Having a comfortable room to rest in pagtapos ng buong araw na paglangoy at pagmamanehe at pagdadrive is a must. Kaya sulit na sulit talaga ang bawat piso rito. Pagdating naman sa pag-iikot, paano nga ba namin na-explore ang dalawang probinsya? Instead of commuting constantly or renting scooters, nag-decide kaming kumuha ng self-drive car para super comfortable ng biyahe. Para sa 3 days sa Siquijor Island, kumuha kami ng self-drive car from Pandan Car and Motorcycle Rental for 4,000 pesos, good for 3 days. Ang pinaka-convenient, dinideliver nila ang sasakyan directly sa Siquijor Port. Pagkababa namin ng day 1, at ginawa rin ng pick-up sa port on our 4th day, super hassle-free. Pagbalik naman namin sa Dumaguete on our last day, nag-rent ulit kami ng self-drive car for 1,200 pesos. Dineliver din nila sa port and then kami na ang nag-drop off direct sa Dumaguete Airport bago ang flight pabalik. For our entire 4-day road trip across Siquijor and Dumaguete, ang kabuuang gastos namin sa gas was 1,500 pesos. Kung ayaw nyo mainitin sa kalsada at gusto nyo mag-road trip on your own pace, renting a self-drive car is definitely the best choice. Now, for my favorite part ng kahit anong biyahe, the food. For 4 days, talagang nag-enjoy kami sa food trip. Napakaganda ng culinary scene sa Siquijor at Dumaguete, from chill local spots hanggang sa upscale cliffside lounges. Our total food expense for 4 days was 7,107 pesos. Narito ang eksaktong breakdown ng mga kainan na pinuntahan namin. Jollibee, 292 pesos. Quick lunch via drive-thru habang papunta sa Cambugahay Falls noong day 1. Perfect para mabilis at di madelay ang biyahe. Cambugahay ice cream, 60 pesos. Refreshing local ice cream treat habang nagpapahinga after mag-explore sa waterfalls. Dolce Amore Italian Restaurant, 1,600 pesos. Medyo splurge, pero 10 out of 10. Authentic wood-fired pizza at homemade pasta. Book Cafe, 745 pesos. An aesthetic mountain view cafe serving great coffee and delicious comfort food overlooking the island. View Story, 700 pesos. A stunning Bali-inspired oceanfront bar and restaurant. Napaka-peaceful ng ambience. Perfect for relaxed late afternoon drinks. Monkey Business, 950 pesos. A vibrant Boho Chic Island resto bar with swing seats, tropical cocktails, at masasarap na fusion dishes. Tauhai, 520 pesos. Dito kami nag-breakfast. Gunik, 1,215 pesos. A luxury cliffside resort lounge. The ultimate spot for sunset cocktails, tapas, napakagandang ocean views. Baja Bar, 635 pesos. Iconic rustic restaurant na sikat sa masasarap na Filipino cuisine, live acoustic music, at magandang island vibes. Joss Chicken Inato, 390 pesos. Classic Dumaguete food stops para sa authentic at juicy na grilled chicken inato bago pumunta sa airport. Pinagsama namin ang quick budget quick bites at splurge-worthy dining spots para sa ultimate culinary experience. Ngayon, ikwento naman natin ang mga entrance fees, activity fees, at tips sa loob ng 4 na araw na nagkakaga ng total na 2,410 pesos. Noong day 1, pagkatapos mag-drive-thru sa Jollibee, dumiretso agad kami sa iconic Cambugahay Falls. Dito, nagbayad kami ng 100 pesos entrance fee, 30 pesos sa parking, at 100 pesos bawat isa para sa raft at life vest rentals. Nagbayad din kami ng 40 pesos para sa dalawang klase ng Tarzan swings at nagbigay ng 200 pesos total tip sa ating napakagaling na local guide na tumulong kumuha ng magagandang photos at videos. Sa day 2, nag-sightseeing kami sa iba't ibang parte ng isla. Nag-park kami sa Book Cafe for 20 pesos, puminto sa hapitanan para sa sikat na broomstick flying shot for 50 pesos, nagbayad ng 60 pesos sa Lazi Convent entrance, at nag-spend ng 30 pesos sa Salagdoong Beach. Noong day 3, focus naman kami sa nature at underwater adventures. Nagastos namin ng 510 pesos sa Lugnason Falls para sa entrance, guide tip, at fresh buko drink. Pagkatapos, binisita rin namin ang Pitogo Cliff for 80 pesos, kasama na ang parking. At pumunta sa Katikugan Marine Sanctuary kung saan nagbayad kami ng 440 pesos for entrance at fees para mag-snorkeling sa gitna ng makukulay na corals at marine life. Bawat piso na ginastos namin sa mga activities na to, 100% worth it talaga. As they say, all good things must come to an end.
All good things must come to an end.
Pero bago tapusin ang ating adventure, sinulit muna namin ang aming huling araw sa pamamagitan ng isang mountainside trip sa Valencia, Dumaguete. Dinayo natin ang roadside sulfur vents ng Mount Talinis na actually isang 100% free tourist spot kung saan makikita nyo ang natural volcanic steam na lumalabas mismo sa tabi ng kalsada. Pagkatapos noon, binisita rin namin ang Pulang Bato Falls na may entrance fee na 200 pesos. Ito ay sikat sa kanyang unique red rocks at malamig na ilog. And then for Forest Camp, 400 pesos entrance fee. A relaxing eco-resort na puno ng natural cold spring pools. Para sa biyahe natin pabalik na Manila, nag-ferry ulit kami mula Siquijor pabalik ng Dumaguete. Total ferry tickets at port charges came out to 728 pesos for 2 people. Pagdating sa Dumaguete Port, nag-dive kami palibot ng Valencia. Binisita ang mga tourist spots at iniwan na lang ang rental car sa Dumaguete Airport bago ang aming flight pabalik. Napaka-smooth at hassle-free ng buong biyahe. Alright guys, moment of truth. I-add up na natin ang lahat ng ating naging gastos to see our final grand total breakdown. Unang-una, ang ating round-trip flights for 2 people came out to 4,542.32 pesos. Para naman sa initial transfers at ferry tickets papunta at pabalik ng Siquijor, nagastos natin ang kabuuang 1,778 pesos. Pagdating sa accommodation, staying 3 nights at Chequesh Casa cost us 5,973.79 pesos. Para naman sa ating sasakyan at biyahe sa kalsada, at 3-day Siquijor car rental plus the 1-day Dumaguete rental at kabuuang gas expense added up to 6,700 pesos. Para sa ating food trip sa 10 magkakaibang kainan sa loob ng 4 na araw, Ang kabuoang nagastos natin was 7,107 pesos. And lastly, para sa lahat ng entrance fees, guide tips, Tarzan swings, at marine sanctuary snorkeling, we paid a total of 2,410 pesos. Now, kapag pinagsama-sama natin ang bawat pisong ginastos, ang grand total for this entire 4 days and 3 nights trip for 2 people is exactly 28,511.11 pesos. At kapag hinati nyo yan sa dalawa, lumalabas na 14,255.55 pesos per person only. Isipin nyo, for just 14,255 pesos per person, may round-trip flights ka na, private self-drive cars, cozy accommodation, marine sanctuary snorkeling, waterfall adventures, and complete dining experience at cliffside lounges and top-rated restaurants. Super worth it, diba? You get maximum comfort and amazing food nang hindi nasisira ang budget. If you found this budget guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Mag-leave rin kayo ng comment sa ibaba kung nagpa-plan din kayong bumisita sa Siquijor soon. Maraming salamat sa panonood and see you on our next trip. Bye! Okay guys, bonus tip. So you made it to Siquijor, but the weather turned moody and Tubod Marine Sanctuary is closed due to rough waves. Don't pack away your snorkel gear just yet. May backup plan tayo. When the waves are beating up the south coast at Tubod, head over to Katikugan Marine Sanctuary. Because of how the island catches the winds, Katikugan is often much calmer and totally accessible even on bad weather days. The underwater life here is insanely healthy. We're talking vibrant coral walls, giant clams, and tons of marine life just a short swim from the shore. Your local guide will point out the best hidden spots and make sure you navigate any light currents safely. A little rain doesn't mean your underwater adventures is ruined. You just need to know which side of the island to jump in. Save this for your Siquijor itinerary and I'll see you in the next spot.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as boards.